Time to set it.
We got
The stuff.
the bottle. Oh, here's the tie-dye thing they use. The powder of it. Here's the mixer. We have those all blocked.
Ooh, gloves.
Oh, free gloves. That's nice.
Don't forget to wear a mask when you're out in public.
Yep. Be safe. And then we have this part, which I don't know.
I think that's the stand.
Okay. Now we have the
I have the ball.
oh, here's the stand for the bottles. Oh, here's the other one. Here's the I forgot what this calls, but you know.
It's a manual.
This might be. Oh, yeah. On to the next part. Now we're gonna twist this. Twist it. Keep on twisting it until it's all twisted. You can help it. Twist it. Make it. Wrap it with the rubber band. There you go. Now you have your twirl. Now we're gonna damp this shirt. Now we're gonna
Squeeze it while rinsing it.
now
Alright, now time to put it in. It's using hard. Oh. Alright, we're gonna put in the purple first. Oh!
I forgot one thing.
In and feed it. Keep repeating it.
Feed all the sides.
Oh! It's violet.
Uh-oh. Hey, wipe that off. This is so fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Take now.
Fine,
No, try. I already got that side of purple. Okay, right back here. It's the purple on that side. Just squeeze it out. Oh, there you go.
We're gonna see the results now.
Ooh. I recommend you have a pant by you because this is hard.
Do you set the water inside? never watched how to dye.
Only with the squirt bottle, not with this.
Yeah.
Okay, well, things are gonna.
Yeah. See what it looks like.
Results.
I'm excited to see the results. Whoa! Look at
There's a
that!
bit of bird. That's Australia right there.
Oh, that's so cool! I love it. Okay, now time to put in the dye or something.
And we're gonna do part 2 tomorrow.
Probably.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Please subscribe. Hope you like this.
And also hit the bell.
Bye!